Morning children. Today in class 5 we are going to do the words with which we will be making sentences. Now errand, this word I have already given you and I have already made you understand what is the meaning of errands. Errands mean small work which you do every day. So make a sentence with errands. Errands. What sentence will you make with errands? The first would be, my mother told me to do my errands. My mother told me to do my errands. और मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे को कहा कि तुम अपने काम करो, अपने सभी काम करो. My mother told me to do my errands. And I could stop because I was on an errand. I could not stop. मैं रुका नहीं because मैं काम कर रहा था. I was on an errand. Then more sentence. She has gone on an errand She has gone on an errand for her mother. She has gone on an errand मतलब वो कुछ काम करने गई है अपनी मम्मी के लिए. She has gone on an errand for her mother. और क्या हो सकते हैं? The boy quickly set out on an errand with money clasped in his hand. The boy quickly set out. एक boy फटाफट से काम करने के लिए भागा, हाथ में पैसे पकड़ के. The boy quickly set out on an errand with money clasped in his hand. और उसके हाथ में क्या थे? पैसे पकड़े हुए थे. ओके, और क्या हो सकता है? I have a few errands to run. I have a few errands to run. Errands to do नहीं होता, errands to run होता है. मेरे पास कुछ काम है करने वाले. I have a few errands to run. Tom often run errands for Mary. Tom often runs errands for Mary. Tom जो है वो कई बारी मैरी के काम करता है. She finished her errand and returned home. She finished her errand and returned home. उसने अपना काम ख़त्म किया और वो वापस घर को आई. So there are a lot of sentences which you can make with errand, and kindly make a nice sentence with errand. And the next sentence being tired and thirsty. Now, what sentence will you make with tired and thirsty? After a long walk, I felt tired and thirsty, and I had 3 glasses of water. I was tired and thirsty after coming back from school. I was tired and thirsty after doing work for a long time. I was tired and thirsty after climbing that mountain. So make a sentence with tired and thirsty. Then discover. Now what is the past tense of discover? Discovered. I discovered that my clothes had vanished from my cupboard. I discovered a new bicycle in front of my house. I discovered a beautiful flower blooming in my garden. I discovered that my father had got a nice gift for my birthday party. Discover means मैंने देखा, मैंने खोजा. Discover. Then the next word is recognized. I didn't recognize my friend when I met her after 7 years. I didn't recognize my cousin when I met her after 7 years, after many years. I didn't recognize my teacher when she came back after a long holiday. I didn't recognize my younger brother when he came back from hostel. So recognize मतलब पहचानना. Now the next question is, next sentence is to his surprise. To my surprise, I had got full marks in my English subject. To my surprise, I got full marks in English subject. To my surprise मतलब मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि मेरे full marks इंग्लिश में आ जाएंगे. To my surprise, I never. What else you can make with this? To my surprise, I had got full marks. To my surprise, I stood first in the class in half-yearly exams. To my surprise मतलब things which you never expected and it happened. Okay. Last word is astonishment means आश्चर्यचकित हो जाना. The garden's beauty filled me with astonishment. The garden's beauty filled me with astonishment. गार्डन की जो ब्यूटी थी उससे मेरे को, मैं उससे आश्चर्यचकित रह गया. Filled me with astonishment. Then to my astonishment I had won the race. To my astonishment I had won the race. Then a crowd watched in astonishment as he jumped from the bridge. A crowd watched in astonishment. भीड़ ने आश्चर्यचकित होकर देखा जब उस लड़के ने ब्रिज से जंप मारा. A crowd watched in astonishment as he jumped from the bridge. Then the last is, I spotted a shooting star. You've seen the stars in the sky. Now there are some stars which just come down as shooting stars. I spotted a shooting star which to my astonishment was bright green in color. Which to my astonishment was bright green in color. So please children, make 6 sentences with these 6 words which have been taken from Rip Van Winkle. Make nice sentences. Don't commit grammatical mistakes. Errands, it is not D, it is S. Errands. Errands means छोटे मोटे काम. So उसमें S ज़रूर लगेगा, यहाँ पे S नहीं लगा हुआ. So kindly put errands. Okay. Do this work. Submit it by 5 p.m. tomorrow. Okay.